Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm Greg Lloyd.
And I'm Carla Heath Sands. Right now, a South Georgia mother is turning a tragedy into advocacy to fill the gap when it comes to juvenile sentencing for aggravated assault or severe injury child cases.
Back in October, 16-year-old Darion Davis was originally hospitalized for a suspected asthma attack and later died in ICU in Savannah. 21-year-old Tashanika Jones, 17-year-old Ventron White, and two 16-year-olds and a 15-year-old were initially charged with felony murder, aggravated assault, and aggravated battery after a video surfaced of Davis's alleged assault.
However, charges for the five were later dropped to only aggravated assault and witness influencing. Now, WALB News 10's Brittany Blake hears from Davis's mother, who is pushing for a new law, Darion's Law, to close that gap.
Passing this law does nothing for my son's case because the juvenile's already been charged. But what I am pushing to do, that no other family has to go through what I go through, and we hold these kids accountable.
Kimberly Davis, Darion Davis's mother, petitioned the prosecutor's office earlier this year to reconsider the decision to remove any murder charges against those charged in her son's death. In August 2025, all three teens charged were found guilty of aggravated assault. They each received the maximum 60-month sentence in the Department of Juvenile Justice. Amy's law ensures accountability when a child is tragically murdered, but there is a gap when it comes to judges having similar authority in aggravated assault or serious injury cases. That's where Darion's Law comes into the picture, aiming to extend judicial powers to protect families in child assault cases.
I understand that Georgia's juvenile system is more of reform, but as time progresses and we move up, we're in 2025, these crimes are getting harsher. So I definitely think it's time for Georgia to rethink the sentencing on juveniles.
Davis has started a petition that is more than halfway to the goal of 1,000 signatures in support of Darion's Law. Now she's working with a local legislator to begin drafting the bill. Davis has continued advocacy work through Forever 16 Wellness, the Darion Project, to provide support for families and teens experiencing similar grief.
I feel like that was God's way of kind of giving me, I'm proud of you, because you didn't have to accept what had happened, but since you were, let me give you the resources to do something to carry on your son's name and also give families justice that comes behind you.
At this time, no trial date has been set for the two adults charged with aggravated assault in Darion's case. Brittany Blake, WAOB, your hometown news source.